Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 25 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper, and the question paper code is 30/5/3. The question 25 says prove that 14 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number given that root 3 is an irrational number. First let's assume that 14 minus 2 root 3 is a rational number. In that case, 14 minus 2 root 3 can be represented in p by q form, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. That is, 14 minus 2 root 3 is equal to p upon q. 14 minus p upon q is 2 root 3. 14 minus p upon q by 2 is equal to root 3. That is 7 minus p upon 2q is equal to root 3. 7 minus p upon 2q is a rational number, whereas root 3 is mentioned as irrational, which implies that rational is not equal to irrational. Hence, our assumption that 14 minus 2 root 3 is a rational number is wrong. Therefore, 14 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number. Hence, proved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.